Do 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 bo do bo bo. Man, it is sure good to have a day off with no zombies. Even my throat's changed. What's up with those guys?
Oh, they're just asleep because it's been a long day.
Yeah, all kinds of crazy stuff, right? Yeah. Chomper, what are you doing to Paco?
Chomper's helping me get my massage.
Oh, that's the spot. What are you doing, Sunflower? What do you want? I'm having a little smiling. Dance around. Okay, and why is Snoopy in the corner?
Because I grounded her.
Well, why? Because she was being naughty. So, you're not the parent. Oh, you want to take that back? Dude, I'm not a kid. I'm like... I'm 150. Sounds like a kid. So, not fair. Yeah. What was that? Is that a medal? And it's heading straight for Lightning Greed! Look out! Lightning Greed. Lightning Greed. You okay? I'm gonna get some medicine. I can help you. Just ask me anything. I'm gonna help Jalapeno. What the heck is this thing? Is this a metal? Who's this guy? So get back, show me later. I'm standing right here. Wow! Oh, you. How did you? This is some sort of power metal. I'm starting to feel much more smarter. This can do stuff. But I think there's something on the bottom. There's a message. How can you read that? That's just a code. I can read it. You are the chosen one. Whoever gets hit by this metal will continue collecting more of these. And whoever got hit by the metal may pick one person to go by their side. You will go to many different places, and every metal you collect, this map shows a map, and this will show on the other metals you collect. So it's gonna be and since it's Lightning called Lightning Reed, he's the one that's gonna go on adventures. But I need to pick a guy. Can I come? Why are you, Kernal Clone? I don't really get much adventures. Okay, you. Yeah! Look, map here. Seems like the next metal is in our house. And where is it in our house? In here. Brains. I'm gonna look out the window. Brains. The zombies are coming! What can we do? Says we must hide. We must go somewhere else while Lightning Greed and Kernal Clone go. And when they hit a duplicate of this metal, it will get a random plant to come this way. Come on, guys. Okay, yeah. You're on ground, Snoopy. Come on, yeah. Come on, we gotta get him. No, I don't want to. Come on. So, this is just me, you, and me, Kernal Pole. And here come the zombies. Brains. I got this. Blah. Your puny little kernels are not gonna hurt me. You are both too weak plants. Corn isn't the only thing I can do. Butter up. What be the problem? I can blooming move. And I just learned a new move. Vine whip. Oh! Alright, that's one down. Brain, and here comes another zombie. Brains. Yeah, let's do this. Alright. I'm gonna go for Duck Tube. You go for Flagman. Break. Oh, great, here comes Coney. Wow! Ow. I'll take that. And it looks like our adventure's down here. No. Head zombies, email. Huh. Coney, report to my base. Oh, crud. Man, some bosses, head zombies gonna kill me. We're back at Snow Beware the other plant. What's this book? It's for keeping your medals. And also, can you read this? And, I know science stuff. You know science stuff? Yeah, I was into Magnum. Because I like to go into the park. Well, and where are the other plants? They went to that teleporter. Magnum has a teleporter? I didn't say Magnum has a teleporter. It's everyone's teleporter. You should have known. We did not know. You didn't? Oh, well, then let's just keep this medal with the other medal. Where's Magnum teleporter? We need him. Follow me. Wait, you're not coming? No, I just didn't want to come. Alright. Good luck. Bloomerang and Foodtrum not coming along, by the way. Hey guys, move along. Yeah. 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 Gotta report to the zombies' headquarters. Well, Coney, did you defeat the plants? No, I sneezed and they got the medal. Coney! Uh-oh. You, sir, are in big, humongous trouble. It was that first adventure and you let them have the first medal. Actually, the second medal. What? Yeah, apparently one fell in Langley's head. How do you know? I was fighting with him. Ah, Coney, you idiot! Where's Dog Tube? Finally! I hope Dog Tube doesn't have any bad luck. The plants have a teleporter, and they're headed to the next medal. Are you kidding me? Where are they headed? Hey, I got an idea. Shut up, Coney. You're grounded. Aw, but I'm 12. No, you're 12. You said you're 12. That means you're young. So, boom, you're grounded. Oh, man. I have an idea. If only it doesn't belong for real nice secrets. Do we know you're bald? You just wear a helmet. No, a hat. What if you use the plant teleporter and teleport them? You gotta go stop. Come on, Coney. You're ungrounded. And there's new recruits there, so come on. It's this one. I knew it's this one. Coney, wait. Wait, that's this in the portal. Wait, why am I climbing again? This isn't the one. Heads on me. Wait, what? No! Coney, I hate you.